Welcome to the definitive guide for the Best Tech Gadgets of 2025 *. If you're looking to upgrade your digital life and discover truly groundbreaking electronics, you've come to the right place. We've scoured the market for the most innovative and essential pieces of gear you need to own this year. Don't miss out on these incredible finds. Check the links in the description to buy them now. Our first standout is number 1. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max *, which continues to set the benchmark for smartphone excellence with its unprecedented camera capabilities and processing power. Next up, at number 2, Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones *. Prepare for an audio experience that will completely transform your commute and focus sessions, offering unparalleled noise cancellation and crisp sound. For the perfect wrist companion, we feature number 3, Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 *, boasting advanced health tracking and seamless integration that surprisingly outshines many competitors. Gamers, get ready for an absolute revelation with number 4, Steam Deck OLED. It's a portable PC gaming powerhouse that delivers stunning visuals and performance in a compact form factor, a true game-changer for on-the-go play. Finally, adventurers and content creators will be thrilled by number 5, GoPro Hero 12 Black *, which pushes the boundaries of action camera technology with its insane stabilization and vibrant video quality. These top tech items for 2025 are more than just gadgets, they're investments in productivity, entertainment, and connection. Which of these essential electronics will you be adding to your cart?